EdgePulse is our oscillator, and these dots below this threshold means reversal, right? So if you look at this, not all of them are going to be perfect, and I mean you can't even think that that's ever possible, but they are very good at detecting reversals and extreme points. There are some confluences that you can use with this to make it work and help you out. What I like to do with this is use it with trend shift and the first light beacon, but just to make this easy, what I'm looking for here is we're getting green reversal, right? And this actually went from red to green as it's pushing up inside of this threshold right here, right? So if we get a blue arrow crossover while this has pushed into the threshold, I'm actually going to enter long and try to go for the high, right? Or just little scalps if you're using small time frames. Again, this is 2 minute Heikin Ashi candles with the 3 minute trend shift. Edge pulse is just edge pulse. And let's see if we get what we're looking for right here. Okay, so we're inside of it and we're breaking that zone, but we want the triangle to confirm. There we go. And you see how that flips down? It's giving you a really good spot for a take profit. I'm sorry, for a stop loss. And I'm actually going to swing and bat for these highs up here. And I'm going to go stop loss down there like that. And then let's see if we get it. And that is how I use Edge Pulse. Um, and I I combine it with the first light beacon to go for trend. And this is actually turning into a decent trade here. And it's pushing up. So that's how I use it. And it's just to help find reversals and influence on breaks of zones and reversals.